Hello, good morning. Now we continue our story Fall of the House of Usher, written by Alan Poe. And we had been discussing how our Victor Reynolds visited Roderick Usher and his house was described, and it all gave an impression that what a technical word he uses, phantasmagoric, which creates fear. The house was totally is a house of looking like a devil's house. And he slowly entered and observed so many places. Even he met a servant and a physician who used to visit this house. And later he came to the second stage. He came across a lady who seems to be the twin daughter of our Roderick Usher. And she has been living in a lonely life. At the same time, she was keeping silence and in her own room, and she was not ready to communicate to others. Like our Roderick, this lady was also seen to be very weak and shows that she has been suffering a lot of diseases which could not be cured by modern medicine. And why this lady happened to be so, what our Usher describes on her, and what is our Reynolds is going to face, all these are described in page number 73. And later on, our Roderick begins to show some signals of interest in which he is rolling his life over different types of paintings, and also at the same time listening, simultaneously singing some musical songs. That has been described by the writer in these coming paragraphs. Now you open page number 73, describing slowly about a twin sister coming. For several days ensuing, her name was unmentioned. Neither our Roderick nor anybody in the house mentioned about this lady to me. During the period I was busy earnest and endeavors to alleviate the melancholy of my friend. My friend is Roderick, and Roderick is suffering lot of problems and has been put in very melancholic, sad situation. And we painted red together. Along with my friend, I joined in his painting because I am a lone friend to him. So I must accompany and I must assist and aid him. So once he begins to paint so many things, I assisted him. And also what he reads, I also took to read. I listened some music, dream of the wild improvisation of speaking guitar, underline speaking guitar, a technical figurative language, speaking guitar. You know, all instruments are par excellent. All instruments which gives us pleasure. At the same time, guitar, you know, the presence of guitar in musical troupe, which would give you much pleasure and would transport you to the field of dreams. And even so many vocal strings it has would put our world in different way. And this closer in intimacy, admitted no more ungracefully to the recesses of his spirit, the more bitterly did I perceive futility of attempt to cheering mind. I did a lot of things and I made so many attempts to make him cheer. Means what? Making him happy. But Roderick keeps his sight in the mouth and in the face in a different way. neither anybody can help him, but he cannot even positively show or positively show his face. I shall ever bear about a memory of many solemn hours I spent for the master of the house of Usher. Yet I should feel in attempt to convey an idea of excited character of studies. The occupation in which he involved me led me the way, an excited, highly disturbed idylity through sulphurous luster overall underlines. That is all the technical language he uses in order to make it more very attractive. The language sulphurous luster. What would give sulphur or type of luster? That his long improvised dirges. Sometimes he sings songs of dead people. Dirges means sad songs. That would forever in my eyes, among other, I hold painfully my certain singular provision, amplification of the wild air, deliberate fancy brooded, which grew touch by touch into the vagueness in which I studied more thrillingly. Because I studied knowledge for the paintings, I would in the endeavor of reduce more than small portion, which should lie within the canvas of a merely written words. Whatever he sings in the instruments would give so many very attractive good ideas, and his songs we cannot easily forget, we cannot easily neglect. That would create an impression among us. That Roderick Usher, for me at least, the circumstances surrounding me, there rose a vapor abstractions which hypochondriac, all right, consistion of health. He was totally conscious of his health, but the canvas intensity of intolerable, no shadow of which felt I ever. Contemplation of certainly glowing, yet to concrete revelation of easily. One of the phantasmagoric, again the word coming, phantasmagoric, a technical word that you give. Alan Poe's all stories would always create phantasmagoric atmosphere, partaking not rigidly spirit of abstraction, may be shadowed with. Now you come to page number 74. All the feebly inverts small picture present the interior of immensely long rectangular, and it is grave like a place vault. Now he slowly took me to the corridor where there was a wallet or a tunnel, underlined wallet or tunnel, that in the time of story written, even in some Gothic period and other people, dead bodies are kept in a tunnel, just like what compared to our cemetery, with the low walls smooth white without interruption of device. A typical tunnel or a vault has been created, and I thought once Roderick would die, will be kept inside this tunnel. But certain accessory points of design should meet convey the idea of this excavation. This tunnel has been created, has been done in a manual way, exceeding the depth below surface of the earth. No outlet was observed where its opening place I cannot easily find. Portion it was the extent of no torch. With me there was no light. With me, there was no torch how to put the opening of this vault or tunnel. No outlet was observed in any portion. How to open this and put something inside, that is unaware to me. Action torch, an artificial source of light, was discredibly yet a flood of intense rays of throughout, and bathe the whole in a hassle and inappropriate splendor. Anyway, this has been created or done by Usher in a very speculative way, that either his body or somebody's body will be kept But later I came to know that this vault or tunnel is totally meant for his sister, because his sister, who is going to die very recently, should be buried inside the house. Usher has kept the word. I have just spoken that of morbid condition of auditory nerve which rendered all music intolerable to suffer, with perhaps narrow limits which I has confined himself guitar, which gave birth a great measure to the fantastic character of performances. Again, our friend Roderick Usher began to play guitar, where so many songs came, but the fair-weed facility of impromptus could not be accounted. They must have been notes, different notes, different types of songs he put forward to make me please, for which unequivocally that the result of the intense mental correctness of the concentration which I have previously alluded to observe only particular moments of high of artificial excitement. The words, one of the rhapsodies I have easily remembered. After singing so many songs, after playing so many songs on guitar, a particular song he sang or he played on guitar that I thought I can easily never forget. I fancied and I perceived for the first time, full of conscience of the part of Usher, tottering the lofty reason upon his throne, the verse which entitled The Haunted Palace. The later song that he recited or that he played over guitar was related to the topic Haunted Palace. It is the summary of the poem now following here. He sang a song. The song is given in 4 to 5 stanzas that will go through the different lines. The totality of the story is meant by a king who ruled the palace with all pleasures and happiness. Once his house or palace was occupied by devils, and later he had to face a lot of sufferings. This is the inner part of the poem or the song played by Roderick in his haunted palace. If not accurately this, in the greenest of our valleys, by good and angels tenanted once fair Stanley Palace. It was a very good palace. In the haunted palace written or sung by Roderick, it was a summary of the song is like this, that there was a king and he had a very good palace, radiant palace, reared his head in the monarch. He had been a king of pride, thought of dominion. It stood there, never scraped with pinion over behalf of her. So all the angels, seraphs means angels, so many angels, all the people who would see the palace would wonder how Taj Mahal like palace has been erected. Banners yellow, glorious, golden of roofs flown, the every gentle in the dallied, the garden set in front, different behaviors in the ears, in what sweet day, along with the ramparts plumb the pallid. Lot of the palace was totally engraved or engraved by lot of what is called plumbed and pallid different big walls. Just like Chinese walls have been kept to demarcate the territorial area. Having door went away, wonders of the happy valley. So many people used to walk in front of the palace and look at what a proud king is there, living through two luminous windows, so spirits moving musically, luminous, shining, very attractive, big windows have been kept Two lulets were tundalo round about the throne were sitting. All right, in a state his glory well befitting the ruler of the realm was seen. The ruler means the king or the emperor of the palace was sitting on a high throne, and with pale ruby glowing was now kept, though which came flowing and sparkling evermore. All the areas that have been kept in a pompous way, in ambitious way, that no ordinary person can easily get inside the palace. No ordinary king easily can, but only emperors are felicitated there. Though which came flowing, a troop of echoes whose sweet duty was to sing in voices surpassing beauty the wit and wisdom of the king. The king was a wise king. He was a man, king of pride. He had been most full, very emperor-like, but he could not easily understand the feelings and sufferings of the common people. And what happened? His arrogance and pride goes before a fall like. Once devils came or evil spirit came and occupied the total palace, in which emperor cannot easily govern the palace. But evil things, devils in robes of sorrow assailed in Morang's high estate underline. This monarch's palace or the kingdom or the throne or his heart was haunted by devils of different desires. And what this is almost altogether the summary of the poem or the song sung by Roderick in his guitar. He veiled monarch's high shawl down upon him desolated, which made him totally desolated, despair and disillusioned. What happened? Roderick in the same way, like a king, had been there in the palace like a house earlier. But later on, what happened? All the devils of desires came to his life, and he understood his life is going to be perished. Shall upon round about his own glory, the blushed and bloomed is but a dim remembered story, all of the time in torment, and travelers now within the valley. All the people coming through the valley, coming through the road, would look at the palace and would say, once upon a time, how was it beautiful? How was, efficient king was there. Now look like this palace. It is a phantasmagoric palace. Now it is haunted and possessed by devils. The same way, Roderick house was also possessed by devils. In a way or indirectly, Allan Poe wants to communicate. Travelers now within the valley through the red-lit windows. Lot of windows are there in the palace, which are opened and shaken by the haunted palace like devils. Vast forms of moving fantastically to discordant melody. It would create a song. It would create a music, but the music was not suitable to the instrument. While like a rapid hasty river through the pale door, hideous throng out forever and laugh, smile no more, underline smile no more. No travelers can easily go through or go pass through these palaces, not with a smile, but look over and spirit and wonder. What once upon a time, what a pompous palace was there, now look like a very dull and dominated by devils. So nowhere we find smile, neither we find smile on Roderick, nor in his sister, nor in physician or servant. All type of deception and disillusionment, dejection and sadness prevailed all over the atmosphere of the house. That created the total atmosphere. Now, though he was much interested in painting, our Roderick was interested in music, and he was continuously singing and singing and singing, through which our Reynold, Victor Reynold, the narrator and observer of the story, or the protagonist of the story, there was no other way but to assist him, but to aid him, but to support him. But nobody communicated what is going to happen. Nobody communicated what is the real problem of the house. Nobody communicated to Victor what is the real problem of Roderick. And just like a passer by the palace of the king, here also our Reynold, Victor Reynold, watching what is really happening in this house. What is going to happen, what we must see, we are going to face in the next class. Till that moment, goodbye.